Good afternoon, children. Today we'll start our new craft work. To do that craft work, what are the things we need? Now I will tell you. You have to take all the things and keep ready for today's class. Okay, children. First, you have to take a newspaper. With that, you have to take a tissue paper like this, Fevicol, and one balloon, and a thread, scissor. Then you have to take like this one ball. Okay, children. You have to take all these things. First, what you have to do? You have to take a newspaper and cut that one like this small pieces. Okay. Like this small pieces you have to cut with the newspaper. After that, the tissue paper also you have to cut same like this small piece. Okay, children. Then you have to keep this one at the separate, and then you have to blow the balloon. Okay, like this small, it should come like a circle. Like this you have to blow the balloon. After that, now first after the balloon you have to keep that one separate. Take a bowl and pour the Fevicol like this inside the bowl. See, children, like this you should pour the Fevicol in a bowl. Then you should mix the water for that. For 1 quantity of Fevicol, you have to use 3 quantity of water. Then you should mix it neatly. The water and the Fevicol, you should mix neatly like this, children. Okay. Then after that, what you have to do? You have to take a piece of paper and start to paste the paper on the ball. How? You have to dip the paper like this in a Fevicol water, and you have to paste the paper like this. Neatly you should put the paper, you should paste the paper like this neatly, one layer full. After one layer over, once again you have to start to do the second layer like this. Okay, on that paper, you have to start to paste the paper. This is the second layer. Like this, you have to do minimum 4 layers with the newspaper. How many layers? 4 layers with the newspaper. Okay, neatly you have to do, children, like this. Complete the second layer. It will be looks like this. Then after that you have to leave 2 to 3 minutes. Just you have to leave only 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Once when it will be stick, once when it will be set with the first and second layer on the balloon, you have to start to do the third layer. Okay children, here you will get a bubbles. That one just you have to press like this. Okay, you have to take out that bubbles out like this. For that you have to leave for 1 or 2 minutes. Once when you will complete that one, no, then you have to start to do the third layer. Okay children. See here how I am doing. After 3 minutes you have to take once again and you have to start to do the third layer. Okay children, that layer also once when you will complete, no, that time what you have to do, again you have to keep that one for 1 to 2 minutes to come out all the water, whatever the extra water will be there, no, it will come like this down. See here how it is looking like that, it will comes down. Again you have to take and you have to start to do the third layer and the fourth layer. Once when you will complete the fourth layer, that time also you have to leave 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after that you have to take a tissue paper. That one also, each paper you have to press in the water, then you have to paste like this. 2 layers of tissue paper work you have to do. 1 layer you have to dip in a water and Fevicol like this and you have to paste. Okay, and the second layer directly you have to take a paper and you have to do. See children, here this portion already I did the 4 layers, only this portion. There I will show how you have to do the tissue paper work. See children, I will take and I will dip that one in a water, then I will put that one on the paper like this. Okay, then I will press this one here. After that I will take a next paper. This is the second layer. First you have to complete the first layer, then you have to take a dry paper and you have to do the second layer like this. Okay children, newspaper you have to do 4 layers and the tissue paper work you have to do 2 layer. Okay, in that 2 layer, one you should dip in the water and you have to paste. The second one directly, the dry one only you have to put like this at the up. Okay children, like this you have to do the 2 layers. Totally 6 layers of work you have to do. And for each layer, whenever you will do, no, each layer after over you have to keep that one down to come out what are the extra water and Fevicol will be there, no, it should come out. Then after that you have to do the next layer. Like that you have to start to do children, and you have to do totally 6 layers of like this ball and make it ready for the next class. Next class I will show what you have to do with this and the paper roll. Whatever in the last class I shown, no, to do the paper roll, that one both you have to keep ready for next class. Okay children, thank you.